Hello, this is Ritesh Thakur, and this is the video presentation of course of 2 of our module Programming and Algorithm 2. So under this Programming and Algorithm coursework, I have made a file encryptor and decryptor. So this is the whole source code of my program. So for this program, I have installed 3 modules. First one is cryptography, second one is Kinder by default, and third one is func tools. We have been listening cryptography. So cryptography is a very vast topic, and it is a secure method of communication, such as encryption. It can be anything which gives us security, like while we logging well in the internet, we have been sending different types of messages. We share different files, folders. So while sharing these files, there is a need of encryption and decryption. So cryptography provides the service of security to those files. Not only in the internet, it is also present in our local system. For example, we can one live application of cryptography in our local system is while we turn on the computer or laptop. So the first display interface is a username and password. So that username and password also uses cryptography to log into the system. So in the internet, it helps in secure transition, communications, protect our personal data, and document manipulation, prevent us from such type of document manipulation. And the services like Facebook uses the very secure cryptography services where most of the people trust. So let me go, slide into the program. So in this program, I have divided this program into 2 sections. So at first I have defined all the functions and their functions, and in the second section I have divided the graphical representation of our program. So here we can see Windows.title file explorer, that is the title of our program, which comes under the geometry 600 into 650. I created 940 into 740, and it was not looking great, so I have resized the program, and it is under the black background. So let me first open the program. Running Python file. So here there is some kind of error. So this is the GUI of my program. So here we can see file encryptor and decryptor. These are just labels. This is also labels and file name. So to test the program, I have already created a folder, and under the folder I have 3 files here. One is .pdf file, one is photo file, .png file, and another is again .txt file. So this is a file encryptor, so it must be able to encrypt any type of file. So I have created 3 files to show the example. So here we can see we can preview the file. So it is now getting previewed. So I will go to the browse and get into this folder, which is in desktop and programming testing. So 1.png, which is our first file which needs to be tested. So let me open. So now the next panel open up where password is required. So let me first save the password like hello, and now we can either encrypt or decrypt. So this file hasn't been encrypted or decrypted. So let me first encrypt this file. So file has been encrypted. Just now the file was being previewed. So here we can see the file is not being previewed as we have just encrypted the file. So to decrypt the file, we have to enter the same password. So let me show the example by giving the wrong passwords like HELL and decrypt. So here we can see there is no decrypted label, and let me first check the program. So it hasn't been decrypted yet. So to decrypt, we need a right password which we has used for while encrypting. So HELL decrypt. So here we can see the label decrypted, and let me open the file now. So the file is being previewed now. So it shows the PNG format is encryption of .png format. So let me show this PDF format. So which was our question of skill development. So let me encrypt this file now. Browse files, again going to the desktop, programming test, and here I have the file regular.pdf. Open and encrypt this file, and let me say the password next one like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and let me encrypt the file. So here we can see encrypted successfully. So let me again preview this file. So this file is not being previewed, as we have encrypted the file. So let me again get back here and press decrypt. So here you can see decrypted, and let me check if this file will be previewed or not. So it is not being previewed yet. So again let me browse files, download, desktop, programming testing, and this PDF needs to be decrypted. Open, and this was our password, the same was our password, so decrypt. And here we can see the file has been decrypted, PDF file has been decrypted. And for the last presentation, I will decrypt this de.txt.document file. So I have also created this in our previous video presentation. So let me encrypt this text file. So going back to the desktop, programming testing.txt, open, and let me encrypt the file. So here we can see the text file has been encrypted. So let me decrypt the file now. So if we decrypt the file, so here we can see decrypted, and going back here, hello, this is the test of encryption distribution. So the file has been decrypted. So let me go to the module, how this mechanism is working. So how cryptography module has been working in this program. So let me show this I have explained this in my Word document, and this is the screenshot of my Word document. So how this data is encrypted. So for the encryption of data, so this fornet library need to generate a key, and after generating the key we can give any files, and then now the files like it can be in any type of format, like it can be in string format. So we have to change the format to bytes. So this B represents the bytes. And now coming back to the encrypted message, so fornet token will be created, so which is our encrypted file. So to encrypt the file, f.encrypt.message or message, this can be any input like .txt, 1.png, and the fornet token will be generated, which is our encrypted file. So to decrypt this file, we need a fornet key, and well, the decryption of the file, let me show decrypt message equals to f.decrypt, and this is the fornet.token which comes from here. That is just a decrypted file, encrypted file. So decrypt as well, so to decrypt the file, we have to use the function f.decrypt. So it is fornet.decrypt. So and token name or and encryption name and decrypt message. So it will show the decrypt message in terms of bytes. So this is still not decrypted yet, so it is in bytes. So we have to change it in our original bit file. So for that we use decrypted message.decode under UTF-8, and the file will be decoded under original. So this is used for .txt file or any type of text files. So UTF-8 is used for, but under this text file we will not use UTF-8. So this is how the program is working under the library for cryptography.fornet. So here browse files has been defined their job, encrypt file has been defined their job too, and decrypt file has been defined their job. So here we have three functions which are performing well. So here browse files was our first, and here I have highlighted them 1, 2, 3, and they are here again into buttons. So while pressing the buttons, these functions will be performed under this job. So let me show the last encryption and decryption. So this was our file created in our previous programming notepad program. So let me encrypt this file. So browse the desktop, programming testing, and here notepad1.txt, and let me say Python encrypt. So file has been encrypted, here we can see, and let me decrypt the file. I forgot to quite the preview. So here we can see, hello, this is a program and video presentation. So this is how the encryption and decryption work, and this is the mechanism of how this file works under fornet library. So this is the end of the video presentation of my coursework 2. So this is how our file encryptor and decryptor was running under fornet library, and we have used kinder as a GUI representation of our program, and func tool was there as which was functioning for its program OS, like presentation of file, edit, redo, undo, such type of files. So in this way the three modules were used in this program. Thank you. So this is the end of the video presentation of course of 2. Thank you.